everyone, and welcome back to Path to Fluent English, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hi, Chloe. Hi, everyone. Today I am feeling very happy because I have some free time. I am going to do my favorite things.
That is perfect, Sam. Free time is the best time. Today, we are talking about hobbies. Hobbies are the activities we do because we love them. They make our lives interesting.
Hobbies. Oh, I have many hobbies, but sometimes I forget the names in English. I want to tell people what I like to do.
Exactly, right. Talking about hobbies is a great way to make friends. People love to share what they do for fun. But wait, before we share our favorite things, I have a small favor. If you want to learn with us and improve your English, please subscribe and like this video. Join our family. Sharing is caring.
Sharing is caring. Please join us. We love having you in our family. Okay, Chloe, hobbies. My first hobby is playing football.
Playing football. That is a very popular hobby. Many people love sports. Do you play every week, Sam?
Yes, every Sunday. But I have a funny story about sports. Last month, I wanted to try a new hobby. I wanted to try archery.
Archery. Oh, that is a fancy word, Sam. Do you know what archery means?
Oh, I know now. It is using a bow and an arrow to hit a circle, like in the old movies. Well, I went to the park to try it. I pulled the string, but I was very clumsy. I let go, but the arrow did not hit the circle. It hit a tree, and then it hit a birdhouse. The birds were very furious.
Oh no, Sam. At least you did not hit a person. A mistake is just a sign that you are trying something new. It's okay. Maybe archery is not for you.
No, it is not. I will stick to football. It's much safer for the birds.
Good job. Let us look at other hobbies. Some people like gardening. Sam, do you know what gardening means?
Gardening. Let me see. Is that when you work with flowers and plants in your backyard?
Exactly, right. You plant seeds, you give them water, and you watch them grow. I love gardening. It's very relaxing.
Relaxing. We know that word. It means it makes you feel calm. My mother loves gardening. She has a beautiful garden with many red roses.
That sounds lovely. What about hobbies inside the house, like cooking?
Oh, I love cooking. I like to make pasta and pizza. Cooking is a great hobby because you can eat your work.
That is true. And what about reading? Do you like to read books?
Yes, I do. But I'm a slow reader. I like to read stories about travel. Reading helps my imagination.
Imagination. That is a big word. It means the pictures you see in your mind. Right, good job. Another hobby is painting.
Painting. Like using a brush and colors to make a picture?
Exactly. Many people find painting very therapeutic. Sam, therapeutic, that is a very fancy word. Do you know what it means?
Therapeutic. No. What does it mean?
It means something that helps you feel better. It helps your mind feel healthy and happy. Painting is therapeutic because you forget your problems.
Oh, I understand. Like a medicine for the mind. Painting is therapeutic. I like that. But I'm not good at painting. My pictures look like a bowl of soup.
Everyone starts as a beginner. What about photography? Do you like taking photos with your phone?
Yes, I take photos of my food, my cat, and the sunset. Photography is a very fun hobby. Everyone can do it now.
Right. And what about hiking? Sam, do you know what hiking means?
Hiking. Let me think. Is it like walking, but in the mountains or the forest?
Exactly. It's a long walk in nature. I go hiking every Saturday morning. It's good exercise.
I like hiking too, but it makes me exhausted, very, very tired. But the air is very fresh in the mountains.
It is, and it's free. Some hobbies are expensive, but hiking is free. Now, Sam, let us look at hobbies with music. Do you play an instrument?
An instrument, like a guitar or a piano? No, I do not. But I like to sing.
You like to sing? That's wonderful. Singing is a great way to learn English. You can sing your favorite songs and practice your pronunciation.
Yes, I sing in the shower every morning. I'm a superstar in the shower.
Good for you. Other people like dancing. Dancing is good for your heart and your mood.
I like dancing at parties, but I have two left feet. Chloe, what does it mean to have two left feet?
That's a funny expression. It means you are not a good dancer. You move in a way that is not smooth. You might step on people.
Yes, that's me. I have two left feet. I'm very clumsy on the dance floor.
Well, it's still fun. Another hobby is collecting. Some people collect stamps or coins or old books. Sam, do you collect anything?
I collect postcards. When my friends travel, they send me a postcard. I have a big box of them. I like to look at the pictures of different countries.
That is a beautiful hobby. It's like traveling without leaving your house. Now, let us look at how to ask someone about their hobbies. You can say, "What do you do in your free time?" What do you do in your free time?
What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time? That's a good question. Or I can say, do you have any hobbies?
Exactly. And if you want to know more, you can ask, "How long have you done that?" Or, "Why do you like it?"
Oh, why do you like it? I like that one. I can say, I like football because it's exciting. I like gardening because it's relaxing.
Exactly. Right. Good job. And if you share the same hobby, you can say, "Me too," or "I love that too."
Me too. I love that too. That's how you make friends. You find things that you both like.
Exactly. Hobbies are like a bridge between people. Sam, you did a great job today. You know many words for hobbies now.
Thank you, Chloe. I'm going to find a new hobby now. Maybe I will try chess. Is chess a hobby?
Yes, chess is a very good hobby. It's a game for your brain. It helps you think. And it's very quiet. No arrows and no birds.
Yes, chess is safe. I'm going to learn chess tomorrow.
That is a great plan. Now, let us remember the main points together.
Okay, let's remember the main points together.
Point number 1. Hobbies are activities we do for fun, like sports, cooking, or reading.
Point number 2. You can do hobbies outside, like gardening and hiking, or inside, like painting and singing.
Point number 3. Hobbies can be relaxing or they can be therapeutic, which means they help your mind feel better.
And point number 4. Ask people, what do you do in your free time, to start a conversation.
Perfect recap. And now we have a question for you, our family. What is your favorite hobby? Do you like to cook? Do you like to play sports? Or do you have a secret hobby? Tell us in the comments.
Please tell us. I want to know what you do for fun.
We believe in you. Keep practicing and keep smiling. You are doing a wonderful job, step by step.
See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.